Hey guys, okay, just want to make a quick video here doing a bird box and in particular doing the fascia coming down from the peak. So normally you would just, cut your rib fascia here, tuck it underneath, and do this with one hand, and then you could just put nails there to hold this little flap tight to the bird box. But another way that keeps it a lot cleaner looking is I just bend up this piece of flashing here. So here's your bird box, and then I bend up this piece of flashing here, and all it is I think about a 3/4 inch with a hem, and then I fold it again so you can kind of see it right there, and it creates a pocket that the end of the fascia can slide down into, and you pre-nail it into here, and it keeps it really tight to the bird box so you don't have any like bubbling happening here. So I'll just slip it in there and just show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so there's the final on it there, nice and tight. When you look at it from the bottom, and you just cut off the end right here, and don't worry about those pieces because we're gonna have 6-inch gutter on this. It's gonna go right past that and cover all that up. So that just makes it look really clean. And just when you're going up like a gable end like this, obviously we just say nail underneath. I got them here, pre-drill them and nail them under here, right at a rib in the soffit. And that way you don't get any oil canning, because it's really easy to oil can this black soffit and fascia. So hope you guys like that. Thanks for watching.